business has to take in order to become a legal entity in the eyes of the state.
Perfect, thank you so much. And so the other thing that we do is that we also give them other avenues, other sources to actually market, which is through, you know, out of the box kind of locations such as Scout or Badoo or Craigslist. And then we also develop other sources of income that maybe they didn't think of, because even though Let Go and OfferUp are on a local level, because it's within a 40-mile radius, still doesn't mean that you can't do it in addition to whatever e-commerce you're doing.
Right.
And so we do that as well. And then we do have financials. We provide them, of course, actually with their financials, how much they would need for each thing, what they were doing, depending on theirs.
A budget.
Correct. Just like we have done for ourselves. So in my company, I would need to do this about $31,000 to do the program. And that is on a yearly basis, but that's on a small scale. That would actually service about 24 clients. But if we wanted to do more, then obviously the budget would have to grow.
Can you go into grants and available funding and stuff like that?
Correct. So I've been trying to do that. I just did Inspire 305 recently. And then I have been awarded, and I actually brought them, but I have been awarded smaller grants through Walmart and Target and things of that nature throughout the years that I've been in business.
You go do your own presentation to them?
I have not done an online presentation to them or an in-face presentation to them. The only thing I've done with them so far